GT4, nice white one. Black Alcantara carbon fiber, red stitching, red seat belt. Can't go wrong with this color combo. Really nice. Dustin, how's it feel?
I don't feel nothing.
So tint is done on this white GT4. We're now getting ready to do the Clearbra on this. So full front end is gonna get protected. Brand new car, brand new paint. Wanna make sure it looks this way, it stays this way. This is my favorite Porsche yet. GT4 is ready to go back home now that we've tinted and Clearbra it. Ceraluxe 33 on the sides and the back to help keep that small cabin from getting too hot and stuffy. And the whole front end is also wrapped in our Clearbra, so this brand new paint can be preserved for years to come. Especially since this is a track car, it'll help with any track debris like hot melting rubber, rock chips, and any bugs killed by your high speed. I don't know why I said it like that, but it looks good and the client's gonna be happy with it.